Hi, Mr. Vandil. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. I am Anna Rose T. Servandil, 38 years old, from the Boli, South Cotabato. I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have three kids, ages 15, 13, and 2 years old, and all are boys.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have three brothers, two sisters, and I am in the fifth.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am at college level. I am second year Bachelor of Science, major in management. I stopped because my parents cannot afford my tuition fee.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am. Here in the Philippines only, ma'am. I have two adults and one kid, 7 years old. I do cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and marketing.
Okay. Do you also do the cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the kid?
7 years old.
And when did you work here in the Philippines? What year?
From 2018 to 2021.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a loving person. I am cheerful, trustworthy, and kind.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, to support my family.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them, ma'am, in a nice and calm voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.